Hello guys, today I am here with another interesting video in where I will compare two new graphics card from AMD and Nvidia. Let's start the video with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At first we can talk about the architecture of both of these GPUs. Turing, which is a codec name for 2060 Super developed by Nvidia. It is named after the prominent mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing. Similarly, Rona is the codec name for RX 5700. Now we can talk about arithmetic logic unit, which actually performs the mathematical operations called for as a part of a shader program. We can see RTX 2060 Super has 2176 units, in where Radeon RX 5700 has some more units, which is about 2304. If we talk about peak FP32 compute, 7.2 TFLOPS for 2060 Super and 7.5 TFLOPS for RX 5700 consequently. Now we can talk about an interesting part, which is tensor cores. Tensor cores is similar as CUDA cores or GPU core, but it has more specific work. This RTX 2060 Super has 272 tensor cores, but surprisingly Radeon RX 700 doesn't have any tensor cores. On the next page we can talk about texture units. Texture mapping units was a separate physical processor in history. It is able to rotate, resize and distort a bitmap image. This Nvidia card has 136 texture units, in where this AMD card achieved 144 texture units. Now we can talk about base clock rate and boost game rate, in where RTX 2060 Super is the back-to-back winner. Again, if we can talk about memory capacity, both of these graphics card has similar amount of 8GB DDR6 memory. On the next page, if we talk about memory bus, both are same here, 256 bit. Both of these graphics card has similar amount of memory bandwidth, which is 448 Gbps. Basically, memory bandwidth is the speed of video RAM. If we talk about L2 cache, both of these GPU are same here. And the last topic, which is TDP, in where Radeon RX 5700 has the highest amount of TDP, which is 185 watt, and RTX 2060 Super consists 175 watt. Well, hope you guys waited for the most interesting part in our video, which is benchmarking with our new setup. Wait, if you didn't subscribe our channel till now, hit the subscribe button and let me know in which topics you want to see on our next video.
Well, after seeing the benchmarking, we can easily find out that both of these GPU can handle all of these recent games, though the AMD card has some higher temperature. If you are not able to buy a higher budget G-Sync monitor, then go for RX 5700 with a FreeSync enabled monitor. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.